Hey everyone, this is The Formula, and today we're rocking white t-shirts.
Hi, I'm Will.
Hey, I'm Gladys,
Hey everyone, I'm Charlie.
and welcome to GQ Formula.
My white t-shirt of choice is the Uniqlo U classic white t-shirt. It's designed by Christophe Lemaire from Lemaire, but he's been brought in by Uniqlo to do the U line. It's all designed in his Paris design studio.
So I am wearing a t-shirt by a brand called Whitesville. You know, I saw this tee got a whole lot of traction when it was seen on Jeremy Allen White in The Bear. He obviously wears it a lot better than I do, but I still think the same sort of tropes apply where you want it sort of like nice and tight fitting around the arms, a little bit cropped so it doesn't get in the way. Yeah, if he's the blueprint, I'm doing my best to copy it.
So my white t-shirt is from an Australian label called Haulia. It's made out of 100% mercerized cotton and it's a mesh. So it's a little bit see-through, it's really lightweight, it's got a drop shoulder, and it's very oversized on me. So I've got a medium on at the moment.
To me, it's all about the fit. I think I spent a lot of time searching for it. I found that like a vintage boxier fit works best for my body.
I like mine to fit a little bit smaller on me. I'm a short gal. Sometimes they come down to my like mid-thigh. We're not having any of that. I like when they're a little bit of a heavier weight as well. But I think if you're gonna branch out and go bougier with your white t-shirts, you can experiment with the size a little bit, experiment with the opacity.
I think a perfect white t-shirt has to be, for me, really classic, but heavyweight and like holds its structure. This one's really thick and has the ribbed collar that really maintains the shape of the shirt. I also like it a little bit smaller. I love how reliable it is. It goes with like everything. It's also $20, unlike some of the other t-shirts you'll see that are a bit more luxury, but it's sturdy, it's properly made, and it's really well designed.
It's nice and sort of a little bit higher on the sleeves, but it doesn't sacrifice any sort of length. I'm quite a tall person, so I think it sits sort of right on my hemline when sized perfectly, so it feels comfortable. I don't feel like I've got fabric where it doesn't need to be.
I like that it's really breathable. I think that sometimes when I put on regular cotton tee, I find the fabric a little bit stiff. When you sweat a lot in a cotton tee, it doesn't feel the best on your body. So I think that if you're in a warmer season and if you're in a mesh tee, it just makes it easier for you to move around.
Pair of classic blue jeans, got a nice little split up the front, sneakers, and this is actually my granddad's blazer, so another little vintage find. This is something that actually translates pretty well to a lot of different scenarios, but where I found myself wearing it most of all is work. I just think it's something that's easy to just stroll into the office with. It's got that formality with the blazer, but it's still quite casual, t-shirt, no collar needed. It doesn't overpower the sort of print on the blazer. It wears really easily with the blue jeans. It's, you know, it's a timeless combination. You can't really go wrong with it.
This is like a super basic white t-shirt, trousers outfit. Kind of takes it to a level where you can wear it out, you could, even wear it to work, given if your workplace is willing. I think that also a really simple base like this and a low contrast outfit requires you to accessorize a little bit more cleverly. I've popped a bit of color on with my sneakers. Jewelry is also really underrated when it comes to really leveling up a simple fit like this. The white tee really makes this outfit casual and dresses it down, because with a pair of tailored trousers, it could probably be for something a little bit more formal.
So this outfit, I'm wearing a Levi's Type 1 jacket, which is, you might have seen on Tom Hardy in the Bike Riders recently. It's just a classic denim jacket. I've got the white t-shirt on, Western belt, some blue jeans going for that sort of double denim look. This is more of an outfit that I would wear maybe on a night out, or if it's a little bit colder. It's sort of dressed up a little bit, but not formal in any way. It's something that you could wear to the pub with mates or going out for dinner. With all the blue and the dark colors in the rest of the outfit, the white t-shirt really breaks that all up, kind of is the center of it. It's what makes it all work. It holds it together.